In this video, I'm going to show you how you can ferment your kienyeji vegetables or traditional vegetables at home and with no fridge, no preservations, no nothing, just natural ingredients. Just make sure you watch till the end. So here are my vegetables. You can actually mix any vegetable or every vegetable that you can come across. So I mixed here like 4 types of vegetables, or I think 3, but you can mix all of them that you have here. So what we're going to do is just I'm going to make this off camera, then I'm going to just wash, then I'll show you the next step. Yeah, so yeah, and there are my vegetables already washed and made, ready to be cooked. But you guys understand that after cooking these vegetables, they always like become very small. I don't know what happens. Yeah, so don't boil them, just steam them. And you see, when you wash the vegetables, there is that water that remains with them. Just steam those vegetables with that same water. Don't add water as like we always cook usually. Just steam with that water, let it produce its own water. That's what I'm trying to say. So you can see I tried to drain some water, but there was still some water. So this is day 1. What I did, I'm going to I added 1 cup of my son. I'm coming, Baba. I'm going to add 1 cup of mala, fermented milk. Then I'm going to boil this. Vlogging while parenting is something else, and guys, excuse me, I have a cold. So I'm just going to boil this with that fermented milk. Remember, we drained all the water from the vegetables so that we only remain with the vegetable. Like, drain all the water, like as much as you can. So what I do is, in the morning, so basically what you're doing is, in the morning we add 1 cup of fermented milk, we boil, then in the evening you add 1 fermented cup. But I felt mine was becoming bitter, like it was fermenting so quickly, so I used to add only 1 cup of milk every single day and then boil it. And you can preserve this for many days. Yeah, then after it meets your fermented area, like your sourness, now you can start scooping and cooking. Yeah, until it ends. That's basically how you ferment your vegetables. Yeah, these are mine. Like, you see how mine turned out. This is on the like 4th day, and it was actually bitter. And this food is so good for the gut. Very good family meal you can prepare at home. Yeah, and this is one of the best way you can actually preserve your food. Yeah, I think this was on the last day I was adding this milk, because I'm telling you, these vegetables had already fermented. Like, it had actually fermented so much, it was becoming now very bitter. So I decided to stop. And once you stop, what you do is just now you just like steam the vegetables maybe in the morning, yeah, until it ends. But also you can continue adding milk, but remember, if when you add the fermented milk, it continues the fermentation process. Yeah, so take note on that. So cook any vegetables, whichever amount, just add milk. The amount of milk also depends on the amount of vegetables that you're fermenting. So I added 1 cup because it was enough for this vegetable. But if you have very many vegetables, add lots of milk. Yeah, and enjoy your vegetable. Just try and let me know. So yeah, this is basically how you do it, and you can see how creamy it is. Very, very creamy, very, very healthy. Maki, you have not added any fat or anything. Yeah, and this is how my first day eating these vegetables. I just like cooked little of it, and it was so enjoyable. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe.